have so many here that are watching. Ano ba naman yung 100 and 150 when you get to follow you guys? Siyempre, be a fan of you. Diba? At kung nagpapromote naman kayo ng businesses ninyo, ayan, if I'm not mistaken, may mga nagtitinda ng seafood dito, ganyan. Or nagpapromote ng mga pills, what do you call this one? Mga supplements. There you go. So, pwede rin yun. Para meron sila dati, type in AC, tapos may 10% discount. So, if you want to promote that as well, kindly do so. Alright, and kung may gusto pala kayong pasalamatan na nanonood kahapon na ito. Okay, take it away, game number 1.
Hi everyone, my name is Bianca Camille Paredes from Quiapo, Manila. My FB name is Bianca Camille Paredes and my IG is BIAAA Paredes. Thank you to JP Ilocano, to my friend, for inviting me here. Thank you.
Alright, so you can follow her on their social media pages. That's, once again, BIAAA Paredes. And thank you so much to her friend as well for inviting her and being part. Maraming salamat po. And now we move on to babe number 2. Same questions lang with everyone. Let's make it very quick and very light. Alright, babe number 2.
Hi everyone, my name is Akira Rowa, and please follow my IG account, which is ICYBRL, and follow and do add me on my Facebook account, Akira Rowa, AKIRAROA. And I would like to thank to my handler po na nag-invite sa akin dito. And sa inyo pong lahat na nanonood, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Let's give a hand for babe number 1, babe number 2. Alright, that's Kira Roa for her handle on her Facebook page. Now we move on to babe number 3. Alright, babe number 3, take it away.
Hi, I'm Hazel Gaetano from Rizal. As you can see, guys, I may be not that fit, but I really promise you that I'll do more exercise to be sexy and more fabulous if I will be one of the grand finalists of Summer Bodies. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sheila. I would just like to say you look truly beautiful, you look stunning. Of course, everyone has their own definition of whatever sexy is nowadays, diba? But you yourself, you are beautiful and stunning, and you should be truly confident, diba? Huwag tayo maiyak, diba? Kung ano, as long as we are healthy with our heart, with our mind, and our body. Yeah, meron ka ba social media handles? You do TikTok, Instagram. Can you invite us as well, Hazel?
Please do follow my page, Hazel Gaetano, and on IG it's me, Hazel09. Thank you.
Alright, you can follow her on Street Hazel09. That's our TikTok account. Tama, alright! Oh, may memory gap po kasi sobrang bilis na. Dami nagsustore na information. Alright, now we move on to our next baby number 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Trisha Valdez.
Hello everyone, I'm Trisha Valdez from Pangasinan. Please follow my FB, Trisha Valdez, and my Instagram account, please. It's so please. And thank you to my
Number 5,
Thank you so much, Trisha. You can follow her on her social media page for Facebook. That's Trisha Valdez with a Z. There we go. Alright, good luck to you guys. Now we move on to babe number 5. Same question.
Good evening everyone. I'm April Marti, 18 from Taytay, Rizal. Well, I would like to thank my Team 10 for being backbone and for my beautiful outfit, as you can see. Please do follow me on my TikTok account since I am boasting it.